Go to the school. Terrific! Click on the next activity.
Nursery rhyme. Little boy blue. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where is the little boy who looks after the sheep? Under the haystack, fast asleep.
Terrific! Click on the next activity. Primary colors pop and peek. Pop all of the color balloons to see a special puzzle underneath. Play! Start by popping every balloon with the color red. Now pop every balloon with the color yellow, blue. Now pop every balloon with the color blue, blue. Nice job! What colors do you see? Nice job! Stay on the learning. You found a prize! Click on an item below to choose your prize and collect your 20 bonus tickets. Congratulations! Ul, lemon. Lemon, lemon. Continue to